Welcome to Acharya News. Here are the latest highlights of across our campus, showcasing workshops and industrial visit, student interactive and activities that enrich learning beyond the classroom. The Department of BBA at Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies is organizing an industrial visit to Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Pvt, Limited, offering students exposed to manufacturing, packaging and distributed system and real-life industrial practices. The Department of Architecture at Acharya Polytechnic organizing a BIM workshop on 5th February 2026, introducing BIM concept, digital workshops and Autodesk, software training, enhancing student technical competitions and avoiding e-certificates. The Department of Management at Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies conducting an industrial visit to eMudhra Limited, providing students practical exposure to the corporate operations, digital stress solution, and technical drive industrial service. Department of Computer Science Engineering at Acharya Polytechnic organized a 3-day value-added program, CODEX, strengthening program, fundamentals and analytical thinking through hard and on-coding, problem-solving activities, and expert section. The students and faculties of Srimati Nagaratnama College of Nursing participated in founded a 5K run organized by ESIC Peenya Hospital, promoting fitness, health awareness, teamwork, and community participation. The Student of Nursing Association, Department of Nutrition and Dietitians, and BSc Nursing students organized a Food Carnival 2026 featuring healthy and innovative dish through themed stall, promoting teamwork, leadership, and communication skill. The Department of Criminology and Forensic Science at Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies organized an educational visit to Vidhana Soudha, giving first-year students exposure to the legislative process, governance systems, and civil awareness. Thank you for watching Acharya News. Stay connected with us for more updates. Thank you.